video, I will be doing this makeup look. This is my school makeup routine for 2020. So, look at my mga English. So, tignan nyo yung kilay ko. It's so natural. The whole makeup look is so natural. So, English time. So, yung buong makeup look natin is natural. So, perfect siya for school, of course. This is my school makeup routine. So, if you wanna know how I do this makeup look, please keep on watching.
Hello, to start off, kailangan malinis yung face natin and gagamit ako ng toner ko which is Celeteque. Spread ko lang siya sa face ko para matanggal yung mga germs na natira. Hindi na sabon. So, yun, papatuyin ko lang siya and then mag-apply ako ng, yan pala yung baby ko, si Baby Simba. Uy. So, una pala ay patitigasin ko yung eyebrows ko using that Nichido Clear Brow Gel. Yan na naman, iba na naman yung baby ko, si Baby Ellie. Magkapatid silang dalawa. So, ayun, habang pinapatuyo ko siya, maglalagay ako ng moisturizer ko, which is yung Skinwhite. I'm gonna review this one, so abangan nyo na lang. English na naman tayo! So, yan, spread ko lang siya sa face ko. Huwag nyo kalimutan lagyan yung neck nyo kung ayaw nyo maging magkaiba. Oh, mom, what is that? My baby is pondering. So, yon. Next naman is concealer. Nalagay ko lang siya under my eyes. And yung mga dapat kong i-conceal na alam kong hindi kaya takpan ng aking tinted moisturizer. And then, hintayin ko lang siya for about 1 minute. Hello, hello! And then after 1 minute or hindi pa siya 1 minute, i-spread ko lang siya sa face ko. Sama nyo lagi yung neck nyo. Okay? Next naman ay ang aking eyebrows. So, if you want to know my eyebrow routine, let me know. Gulo ah. Basta, kung gusto nyo ng eyebrow routine video, just let me know in the comment section. Gawin ko lang yung kabila and I'll be back. So, to clean my brows, gagamitin ko ulit yung concealer na ginamit ko kanina under my eyes. Next, to set my face, I'm gonna use my Vice Cosmetics Duo Finish Foundation, which is durog na kaya hindi ko na ginagamit yung salamin na kasama niya. Paano kasi sana maglabas yung Vice ng refill nun? For my bronzer, I'm gonna use my Face Trio by Ever Bilena EB Advance. Nakita niyo naman yung ginawa ko sa brush ko, diba? So, ganun lang. Nililinis ko lang yung brush ko kasi same brush lang yung gagamitin ko sa aking cheeks for my blush. Lalagyan ko lang ng bronzer yung aking jawline and then yung nose line. And of course, highlighter. Lagyan nyo lang ng highlighter yung highlights ng inyong face. Yung alam nyo, pag tinamaan ng ilaw, kumikinang kahit oily ka lang. Yan, ayos-ayos buhok. Parang baliw lang. And then, for the last na! Lalagay ako ng lipstick, which is from Careline. And then, yung shade niya is Normcore, which is my favorite kasi parang natural lang siya. Okay, may last step pa pala tayo, which is yung aking, ano tawag dito, pilik mata. Wala kasi ako ng curler, nawawala, kaya diniretso ko na. Ang ginagamit ko ay yung Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara. Okay, so ayan, aura-aura muna tayo, te. Sige, pak. Yes, aura lang. Sige, hala, sige. Bye!
So yeah, we're done. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, Hindi ako sure, oh my god. Kasi, nga, comment down below your video suggestions and I will try my best to upload every week this year. Kasi, tagal-tagal ko na dito. Pero, putol-putol yung pag-upload ko kaya hindi ako malagot eh. Yeah. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye!
You got me jumping like